Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 GLS 454 MATIC. This one's a cell night gray. Underneath the hood's a 3-liter V6 twin turbo pushing out 362 horsepower and 369 pounds of torque. This GLS comes with the lighting package, which is going to give you an active curve illumination, adaptive high beam assist, also an LED logo which appears in the grille, appearance package, which is going to give you 20-inch 5-spoke alloys, brushed aluminum running boards, a black MB Tex interior, 3-way climate control, sunroof, third row seating, trailer hitch, GLS 450 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, cargo cover, fold down third row seats. Also includes the lane tracking package, which is going to give you an active blind spot assist, a lane keep assist, premium 1 package, which is going to give you Harman Kardon sound system, anthracite poplar wood trim, memory seats, power windows, wood and leather steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, parking assist package, which is going to give you a surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors, navigation, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center, dynamic select for different driving patterns. This GLS has 41,023 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLS 454 MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.